Jai Hind and welcome to all. Saraswati Sisukunj Bagwala, Borsat, English Medium. Standard first. Subject English Grammar. Chapter 6. The name of the chapter is NAMING, naming, WORDS, words, FOR, for, BELONGING, belonging, means naming words for belonging, right? It means when we want to show that something belongs to someone, we use as to the naming word. I repeat it. When we want to show that something belongs to someone, we use as with the naming word. Now let's see exercise. Exercise A. Add s to the following words. Here first, ELEPHANT, elephant. Here we cannot write simply s at the end of the word, right? See, elephant, elephants, PHANT, elephant. You have to write same word here, elephant, then comma and write s. Elephant, elephants. Don't write directly s at the end of the word, right? Next, DOG, dog. Dog, dogs. DOG, dog, comma, then write s. Dog, dogs. Third, GIRL, girl. Girl, girls. Girl, girls. TIGER, tiger. Tiger, tigers. TIGER, tiger. Then apostrophe s. Here we can say also apostrophe s. Tiger, tigers. Fifth, BOY, boy, boys. BOY, apostrophe s, then s. Boy, boys. Sixth number, doctor. Doctor, doctors. Doctor, doctors. MAN, man. Man, mans. MAN, man, then apostrophe s. Man, mans. C. Elephant, elephants. Dog, dogs. Girl, girls. Tiger, tigers. Boy, boys. Doctor, doctors. And man, mans. Next, chapter 7, describing words. DESCRIBING, describing, WORDS, words. Describing words. Now, what is the meaning of describing words? Words that describe person, animals, birds, places and things are called describing words. These words tell us more about naming words. I repeat it. Words that describe persons, animals, birds, places and things are called describing words. And these words tell us more about naming words. Next, exercise A. Underline the describing word. Underline the describing word. First, BOY, boy, C-U-T-E, cute. Boy, cute. In this sentence, means in this set, cute is describing words. Boy is there, but cute boy, right? Boy is there, but cute boy means cute is describing word. Second, L-A-R-G-E, large, S-H-I-P, sheep. Large sheep. Here also sheep is there, but large sheep is there, means large is describing word. Third, B-O-O-K, book. Book is a naming word. S-H-O-R-T, short. Short is describing word. Fourth, F-A-S-T, fast. T-R-A-I-N, train. Here also train is a naming word and fast is a describing word. Fifth, C-O-I-N, coin. H-U-N-G-R-Y, hungry. Here hungry is describing word. Sixth, S-O-N, sun. H-A-P-P-Y, happy. Here happy is describing word. 7, G-O-O-D, good. R-O-A-D, road. It means good is describing word. 8, N-A-U-G-S-T-Y, naughty. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. Here naughty is describing word. 9 number, L-O-N-G, long. T-A-I-L, tail. Here long is long tail. Tail is there, but long tail. It means long is describe word. 10 number, G-R-E-E-N, green. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Green parrot. Here green word is describing word. 11, L-E-G-S, legs. S-H-O-R-T, short. Short is describing word. Short legs. 12 number, B-I-G, big. E-Y-E-S, eyes. Here the word big is describing words. It means you have to underline it. 13 number, R-E-D, red. B-E-A-K, big. Here big, red is describing word. See, long, green, short, big, red. These all words are describing words. Exercise B. Underline the describing word in the following sentences. Right? First, I, H-A-V-E, have a. G-O-O-D, good. F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. I have a good friend. You have to find out describing word and underline it. Now in this sentence, good is describing word. In this sentence, good is describing word. Second, S-H-E, she is a very cute. She is a very cute. In this sentence, the word cute is describing word. Third, she is a happy girl. She is a happy girl. See, she is a girl, but happy girl means the word happy is describing word. Fourth, he has a green bag. He has a green bag. He has a bag, but which color's bag? See, he has a green color's bag means green is describing word, means describing word for color. Fifth number, he gets good grade. He gets good grade. In this sentence, the word good is describing word. 6. An open box. There is a box, but open or close. Here, the word open is describing word. Open box. 7. A blue dress. BLUE, blue. Here also the word blue is describing word. 8 number, a new book. Book is there, but new or old? New book. It means the word new is describing word. Here you can see that the words good, cute, happy, green, good, open, blue and new, these all underlined words are describing words. Thank you.